Why is ragweed a problem for so many people in the fall?
So we do have a ragweed season. As up north, when I was up north, it was much more a ragweed, but we get it down in Jupiter, Florida, and there's some overlap with the summer season. So there's still the grass allergies and pollens, and people do get ragweed. And then until November, we're still in storm season, so people get barometric pressure change headaches, and we see that quite a bit. And then anytime the big storms roll through, we tend to have people with a lot of sinus problems. All of the climate and the storms, these things can also contribute to mold exposure, which we see that a lot in Jupiter, Florida, and these things certainly don't help the sinus and nasal symptoms.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.